Welcome. Today we will cover the steps to import demo content for the Insureti Insurance Company WordPress theme. Go to the Appearance theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme, and for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Insureti Insurance Company WordPress theme. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins, and select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then Apply. Now back to the dashboard, go to the Appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: auto import and manual import. And under this auto import, you can import all these demos. Click any one to continue and import content. Now click Visit Site to view. It features a fully responsive design, ensuring optimal performance, and comes with pre-built templates to streamline website setup. This theme includes robust customization options, and it allows users to tailor the design to their brand, along with seamless integration with Elementor for drag-and-drop editing. Additionally, Insureti supports essential plugins like WooCommerce and Contact Form 7 that makes it suitable for businesses looking to offer services online. Thank you for watching.